1 second. This is a take. Okay, we're going to do 10A. Holds it up, down, brings it around to lock up. All right. You should also bring the other hand across to protect the chest. If that's okay. Boom, 2, 3. And now he'd bring the left hand across. If it weren't a girl, he'd bring it right across her chest. This is B. Same thing on the other side. And then you bring the other hand across to... So we're going to do 10B. Again, we're going to come across the other side. Boom. Lock across. And then we bring the other hand across. Yes! Excellent. All right, number 11. Number 11. Same thing. They block heavy. They throw a heavy punch. You throw a heavy block to counter it. And then what he did is he dropped his elbow. He dropped his elbow so it kind of slammed into her stomach, and then brought his fist right up under her chin. And then he came across with both elbows to shatter her collarbones. Boom, up, and then, well, he didn't do it that time, but afterwards, then he shatters, he follows by moving both hands across her. Boom, up. Well, I guess we're going to have to work on this. Okay. Yeah, there we go. That's the end. Although they're not supposed to smile afterwards. Bam, shook, up, hands come across, shake, 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 and die. Their head comes off. Okay, now we're doing number 12. Notice how he's blocking more with the elbows and the forearm. What he's really doing, if he were really fighting her, he'd be clawing her eyes and her face with his hand. He'd be swiping across her jaw. It's very scary. And occasionally she throws the fist a little harder, and then he rolls his hand down. He rolls his hand down like on the exercise, like in an oikong. See how he's rolling his shoulder and using his waist? That's how you do it. I'm going to say normally he'd be clawing at her, but we don't do that in practice because we don't want to hurt anybody. Just like he's not really hitting her with his elbow. The idea, if you were doing it perfectly, would be shatter her arm with your elbow, but he doesn't want to do that either because this is his sister. Or maybe he does because it's his sister. All right. Okay, then they switch. One becomes a puncher, one becomes a tiger. In this case, a tigress. Now see, she's got that claw right up in that face. Woo! Okay, we're doing fighting move 13.